So I took the shaft out of the molding machine. I indicated it in the machine and it was out 6 thou, which is a bit too much. Plus the, it was an odd bore. It was 1 5/16 and I have 1 1/4 tooling. So to make this old knackered machine work, I I draw bored a split bushing I made so that it would clamp onto the bearing seat there, using a steady rest there, and I turned down the shaft to 1 1/4. See if I can show you what that's like now. No, needle's not even moving, maybe 2/10. Okay, and I'm reading 1/2 thou.